Hey bag lovers! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review the updated version of the Jess camera bag, which is the Jamie camera bag, but with a twist because what I have here is a mini version and a limited edition version of the Jamie camera bag. I'm super excited to show you what's inside, so let's go! Time to open it. It's ta-da! It's actually the mini Jamie camera bag under the ski collection of Coach. So yeah, it's super nice as you can see. You know, I chose this bag because number one, of course, Jamie camera bag is one of the new arrivals from Coach outlet. And as I mentioned a while ago, it's actually the updated version of the Jess camera bag. So this Jamie camera bag comes in two sizes. One is the mini, so this size, and the other one is in regular size. But if you're going to compare the Jess camera bag and the regular size of the Jamie camera bag, it's kinda smaller. The Jamie is kinda smaller because maybe they also find the Jess camera bag a bit too big for its size. But I'm actually sad that I wasn't able to do a bag review about the Jess camera bag because it's actually one of the long time best sellers from Coach. So I really want to do a bag review. So in case that I will be able to score one, I'll definitely do a bag review on the Coach Jess camera bag. But let's move on, let's move forward and focus on the updated version, which is the Jamie camera bag. So yeah, going back, I chose this beautiful Jamie camera bag because I find it very unique. As I mentioned, it's under the ski collection of Coach, and I actually read some articles about this collection. And as per the creative director of Coach, Stuart Vevers, the ski collection is actually inspired by the winter adventure and the possibility of tomorrow. Wow, that sounds so interesting. Another nice thing that he said about this beautiful collection is it's joyful and nostalgic, and it reimagines the heritage with bold and colorful language of the American sportswear. Wow! So as you can see, it has this beautiful badges, pink letter C there, New York, and then it also has this designed in Coach 1941 New York City. It's so nice. So I really appreciate the beautiful aesthetic of this bag. So let's see the other details. So at the back it has a slip pocket there, and then it's in gold hardware. See, it's gold. Here's the tag. So it says Ski Mini Jamie camera bag there. So of course it has this hang tag. Now let's open to see the strap and what's inside. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! It's so nice! Oh my god! The strap is so nice. It's actually a guitar strap. Oh my gosh, this will look so chic and classy and sporty at the same time. Oh my gosh! I really made the right decision to get this bag. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Oh my gosh. So I got the one with the guitar strap. You know what I love about this? It actually matches the colors. Look. So it goes well with the badges outside, right? Oh my god. I love it. You know, another thing that I love about Jamie camera bag, they actually made this model very flexible. So if you visit their website, there are a lot of versions of the mini Jamie camera bag or the Jamie camera bag itself, like this, which is a coated signature canvas, and then they also have it in plain pebbled leather, and the strap, they have different versions of the strap as well. So this one, as you can see, it's a guitar strap and I super like the color. And then they also have the version that is just, you know, in pebbled plain leather also. Then they also have versions of the strap that is a combination of leather and gold chain. So yeah, I really like the idea of making one model very flexible, unlike the, of course, the other models of other brands. You know, it's very limited to just one. Strap is detachable, so you can actually buy a gold chain and, you know, use it with this bag. So yeah, this one is very flexible. I love it, but I am totally in love with this kind of strap. Oh my gosh, it's so perfect. It's so beautiful. As you can see, it's in very high quality. It's also in gold hardware, and it's super match with the ski collection that I got for the Jamie camera bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Okay, so next is, let's check out the interior. Let's open it. So there, so as you can see, it's pretty deep, so it's spacious. It's definitely it's gonna fit your daily essentials. What I love about this as well is that it has a lot of pockets inside, so you can see a slip pocket here, there. Of course, there's ooh, so Coach has the QR code also. Wear it, love it, pass it on, scan to find out more. So yeah, so they're also using a QR code now, similar with Kate Spade. So there, slip pocket, it's spacious, and then you have 2 card slots there. Nice. There, oh my gosh, it's so nice. So yeah, so again, please watch this video to see what fits inside. There you have it. What do you think about this camera bag? Leave your comments down below. Again, thank you so much for joining me today. And if you like this bag review, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Tixie, and see you on our next episode. Bye! Love bags, love Lucy. Follow us and don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey bag lovers, for more bag reviews like this, please don't forget to follow us on YouTube. That is Love Lucy channel. So see you there.